In this presentation, you will see how to design the columns found in the document as well as explore data grids' features and use. Data grids appear in a number of Add Information screens in each respective module. For example, the branches grid in the customer profile and the alternative codes grid in the stock item card. However, the part where you will always see the grid is the document screen, as shown in our example, in the sales document screen. The way in which you can add data in the lines of the grid is very simple. Select any line, and then either use the magnifying glass wherever available, or directly type data. To proceed to the next line, you will have to press Enter or use the keyboard arrows. You can also use the cursor. It is worth mentioning that you can perform arithmetic operations in the cells. You can find various tools in the grid which are available in the footer section. More specifically, you can use the arrows to navigate between the lines. Using the command Insert Line above, you can insert a line in whatever part of the grid is convenient for you. While through the Insert Line option, the cursor is placed in the next available line. Moving to Printing, you will see the various options you are given, such as Print in Excel. Import from Excel is also an important function. In particular, in order to import Excel data, the first column and the first line of the file must be left blank. You can perform a similar import data action by doing a copy and paste from clipboard, available by right-clicking on the grid headings. Line Details gives you the possibility to edit the entirety of information pertaining to a specific record. You can delete individual, specific records, or even all of them by clicking Select All and then Delete. You can also perform a delete action by selecting the lines and pressing Ctrl and Delete simultaneously. A confirmation message will be displayed only if you have enabled the relevant setting. Finally, from Search, you can display the lines containing information you are interested in. To wrap up the footer section, you can use Line options to find further information such as alternative stock item. This option is also available by right-clicking. In all data grids, right-click on the headings to see the available formatting options. Especially for document grids, right-click on the code or description heading to show further information. A rather useful function is the From browser one. By using any browser you want, you can import items by selecting them and pressing Enter. Input is an equally useful feature, which is also available through the magnifying glass. You can indicate the quantity, search for items and massively input data in the line. So which columns are suggested when we enter a new document and how can we edit them? We will start by showing that the columns are suggested based on the series selected for the document. However, setup is hidden in the Type, on the one hand by indicating in the field Document Users the entities which will be available in the lines of stock items, service or fixed assets, and on the other hand by indicating the suggested column set in the column design parameter. Let's see the required steps to design a set of columns. Select New Entry and indicate the code and description. Then select which of the available fields, apart from the suggested ones, you want to display as a column. The section is performed either by double-clicking on the field or by dragging the field in the window with the selected columns. Each column can have further properties such as a different title, a bold font, even a font or background color. To wrap up, we select Save and select the design in the parameter column design. In the next New Document entry, by selecting Series, the new set of columns will be displayed.